Now this illustration deals with non-grounding receptacle replacement or branch circuit extensions using the requirements in 250.130C1 through C6. Now notice we have a receptacle there that is being replaced, and we do not have an equipment ground routed with the circuit conductors. The equipment ground is absent. Now notice we're taking that equipment ground, and we could connect that equipment ground to any water pipe system that enters in from the earth up to supply a sink with hot and cold water, as long as it's within 5 foot, is my interpretation here. Or it would need to be routed back, within 5 foot where the water pipe came into the system. Now notice we can find this in 250.130C2. Now the receptacle replacement is 250.130C, and we could replace an existing circuit without an equipment ground with a 2-wire receptacle, with a 3-wire receptacle if it is GFCI type, and you follow those rules for replacement. But if you want to use just a regular receptacle, then you could ground it as we see there. And that equipment ground could be connected to that water pipe. It could be connected to the grounded bar and the service equipment. It has a systematic procedure for connecting it to wherever you're grounding it in, so you have an equipment ground. And notice this is usually on nothing but 20 or 15 amp circuits is what the authority having jurisdiction would allow. And then the note says to pigtail equipment grounding conductors, see 250.148 as well as 300.13B. And when you're dealing with that grounded neutral conductor, look at 310.6A and 210.5A. And I believe we've pretty well covered this type of situation. Where does it apply? Only where the circuit supplying the receptacle, in this case, is not equipped with an equipment grounding conductor. And this figure 16-118 is dealing with replacement or branch circuit extensions in accordance with 250.130C1 through C6 as in car.